Well, hi guys, and welcome back. So, we're going through the whole custom planner that I purchased from the Happy Planner. I am absolutely in love with this thing. So far, it is exceeding my expectations. Again, I picked the leather cover, the whole gold disc. Um, I do have another video where I unboxed it, put the whole thing together, but just to get you up to speed, just because this is the order that I'm doing these in. Um, we're going through the extension packs that you can purchase alongside of these, and again, they got like a variety of topics. So there's fitness, there's wellness, stress management, budget, meal planning. I mean, if you can name it, there probably is an extension pack for it. And the one that we just did in the previous video, where I did lose my voice at the end of it, so I will apologize again for that. It is very hot and humid here, and it just takes my breath away. Just not in the right way. But no, we went ahead and did the meal planning one, and it's just super cute. So the next one that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna do the budget extension pack, and we're gonna put it in the planner. So I wanted to film these separately because I didn't want the video to be like super long, and I mean, some of you may be interested in the meal planning, other ones just maybe like show me the budget. So I wanted it to be easy for Jens to see the unpacking of the extension pack that you are the most interested in. And again, if you've tried out the custom planners, if you've got any of the other extension packs that come along with them, let me know. I am curious to know what's all involved in the other ones, because these are, you don't get to flip through. You don't get to actually see what they are. It says, do you want to add extension packs? And for $6 a piece, I said, heck yeah, why not? So, like I said, I'm only going to be putting 1 month at a time in my planner. So, this is what the budget one looks like. That's the dashboard, and I love the neutral colors of this, guys. This is like so me. So we got that nice olive color for the budget, and I'm just gonna add this in there as we go. We did kind of just flip through the whole meal planning one. We found out that there's 6 months with each of the extension packs. It is a 12-month planner, but they only give you 6 months in the extensions. And I kind of hope that they have like where you could purchase additional extension packs that I'm not quite sure of. And they do come with 2 sheets of stickers. So, and I love it. They got like the little icons in that. So I'm just gonna keep this all in the box. I'm definitely gonna need a box for all of this. And let's flip through what's involved here in the budget. So they give you a monthly layout again. I'm gonna have so many monthly layouts. I really don't use them. I don't. And I mean, I already have like a budget planner, but I figured this would be like a nice little accessory to it, because I'm always claiming that I can never like do one of these and like keep track of it. So I just thought, you know what, like I said, like they're $6. I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try. I feel like I do have a better handle on my finances now than before when I tried using one of these. And I mean, I love the simplicity of it. So yeah, there are no frills and or whistles on these. So they give you just a basic monthly budget. You have the savings tracker, your accounts and debts trackers, and then they give you a no spend challenge. And again, guys, I apologize for my voice. It's just this temperature and humidity is just like really killing me. Okay, so now you get the weekly expenses sheet. I pretty much just blow this thing away. So maybe at the end of the week in my actual budget planner, I'll like I don't know, I'll add up the categories and then maybe we could keep track of how much I spend in each category for the week, because I am a big spender. I am. Pretty much how I got in the situation where I'm at. So you have like little journaling prompts. It seems to be it's the same journaling prompt at the end of every week. So no changes there. And that's how it ends. So we have the take note, and then we got another note, check it off, and don't forget, and then a grid page. And then this one does start with this one. So I am going to keep this with this. But I mean, guys, there is a lot of note area. So just to make sure, see, we start with the calendar. You get $100 challenge on this one. So you do get a different challenge with each of the months. So what was this one? This one was a no spend challenge. This one's $100 challenge. Excuse me. So with this one, they're telling you instead of just doing a $25 shopping trip, try saving $25 each week this month. And they're suggesting, you know, if it's a 4-week month, that you'll have $100 set aside at the end, which of course we all know will probably go to planners if we do that. So let's just check and see what all the challenges are. So this is at no cards. Try not to use any of your credit cards for at least 2 weeks during the month. That one's going to be a tough one for me because I use them every day. I love getting the rewards. My debit card does not give me rewards. Okay, so for this month, we have a do-it-yourself. Save some cash by making a few of your own household cleaning products. This one actually doesn't apply for me because I get the household cleaning products from work. Shh. So, no, I mean, like, yeah, literally everything comes from work. What we don't use there, we get to bring home. Okay, and then we have coffee at home. So skip the wait at the coffee shop and brew coffee at home and throw it in a cute tumbler and hit the road. I've pretty much already broken this habit, guys. I got a coffee ninja, and I I have not been to Starbucks for a very long time. Mainly in the fall. It's the fall and winter time is when I go because I love their holiday drinks. But I will say that is a habit that I've pretty much broken myself out of. No online shopping. Now those are dirty words. That challenge yourself to nix to online shopping during the month. Your wallet will thank you later. That is the only shopping I do. I do not shop in stores, but I mean, I would have a lot less spending if I didn't shop online. I don't think I can do that, but maybe we'll see how many days I can go, because I mean, it's not every day. So let's get this one in the box, because like I said, I'm only adding in 1 month at a time. I don't want the planner to be too bulky. I do want her to be slim and trim. So there we go. We got 1 month of the budget in. We got 1 month of the meal planning in, and of course the 1 month of the weekly sheets, which again I got the checklist because I don't know if you can tell, but I am a list person. It keeps me structured. So that's it for this video. And again, guys, I thank you so much for watching. I do greatly appreciate it. And I almost forgot, I do have a link in the description down below. It gives you a promo if you're interested in checking out this custom planner for yourself. And again, I get a promo too, so it's a win-win. And again, guys, I do greatly appreciate all the views and the comments. If you've tried any of the custom planners or any of the extension packs, It's been a long day at work. Just leave a a comment down below. Let me know what they were, what you thought of them. Um, did you really enjoy the extension pack? Did it work for you? Anything. So I always love hearing from you. So with that, I am gonna actually close out. And again, guys, I do thank you so much. I greatly appreciate every view, every comment, every like. And if you want to see more Plan With Me's, please hit that like and subscribe button.